Okay, so another exercise that can be done for the chest would be the classic push-up. If you're not strong enough to do push-ups on the floor, you can do push-ups from an elevated height. For example, you have a table or a chair at this height here. You can start right here. Push, go down, push, go down, push. If you're having any elbows or shoulder issues, you can always adjust the range of movement. So instead of going all the way down, you may only to go halfway down, depending on your pain levels. Okay. So what you're not doing is any sort of quick bouncy movements. Okay. Try to be controlled. Try to be in control of the movement. Okay. So when if you have the classic push-up again would be on the floor. This here. Okay, if you're able, the chest can touch the floor, or again, if you're having some issues with the shoulders or the elbows, you may want to just do a partial movement. Of course, as time progresses, you may get the strength to do a more advanced movement. In that case, you can put the feet on a height, and the body can be on the floor. So you can do something like this. Yeah, so that's a bit more about an advanced movement as you get stronger and stronger.